We have mapped the surface of the moon and sent probes to the edge of the solar system. But we know almost nothing about what is happening 20 miles beneath our feet. Modern science tells us the Earth has a solid ball of rock and metal. But there is a problem. We have never seen it. The deepest hole ever drilled, the Kola borehole, reached only 7 miles. That is less than 1% of the way to the center. Everything we are taught about the Earth's interior is based on theories and seismic echoes. But what if those theories are incomplete? What if the interior of our planet is not solid, but contains massive, open spaces? In 2014, geologists discovered something that shocked the world. Deep in the Earth's mantle, they found evidence of a massive ocean. It's not an underground lake, it's a reservoir of water trapped inside a mineral called ringwoodite. Scientists calculate that there is 3 times more water there than in all our surface oceans combined. This is a proven scientific fact. If the Earth can hold an entire ocean at that depth, it's not a stretch to imagine vast caverns and internal ecosystems. In fact, satellites often detect gravity anomalies and seismic slow zones that mainstream science struggles to explain. These could be the signatures of massive voids. This theory might explain a mystery that biologists have ignored for years. Why do legends of giants and small humanoid beings like gnomes or duende exist in every culture? On the surface, a giant like King Kong couldn't exist because of gravity. But inside a porous planet, the physics change. The centrifugal force from the Earth's rotation would reduce the effect of gravity inside. This would allow life to grow to massive sizes. At the same time, smaller beings would adapt to the high-pressure environment of deep caves. These creatures aren't myths. They are biological anomalies that may have evolved in a world we haven't discovered yet. They are the refugees of the inner world. The most famous evidence comes from a decorated war hero, Admiral Richard Byrd. In 1947, he led a massive military operation to Antarctica called High Jump. Officially, it was a training mission, but after he returned, Byrd gave interviews and wrote reports that were quickly classified. He spoke of a land beyond the pole, a place where the ice ended and a warm green forest began. Today, the polar regions are the most restricted places on Earth. Commercial flights are banned from flying directly over the poles, and satellite images are often blurred at the axis. If there is nothing there but ice, why is the international community so determined to keep people away? We need to stop thinking of the Earth as a dead, solid rock. The evidence suggests it is a complex system with massive hidden spaces. We spend billions of dollars searching for life on other planets, but we haven't even finished exploring our own. The surface we live on might just be a shell. There is a whole world beneath us that remains undocumented. The question is no longer whether these spaces exist, but who or what lives inside them. The deeper we look, the more we realize that the greatest discovery in human history is waiting right under our feet.